how to find hidden games on Steam. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you could go ahead and do. The first one is go over and open up Steam. So we're just going to open it up right now. Now, what you want to do is re-add the storage drive and clear cache. So launch Steam, and in the top left, go ahead and click Steam, then go to settings, and then from here, you want to locate storage. Now click the drive drop down, and if your external or secondary drive is missing, click add drive. So what we want to do is just click this add drive button here. And then what you want to do is go to the downloads tab in settings like so, and you're going to see a lot of different options. But what we want to do is clear the download cache. So we're going to go ahead and clear the cache. Clear it, it's going to be shutting down Steam, and then you can just wait for it to open or just open it up again. Now, if your games are missing from your list rather than showing it as uninstalled, then obviously there's going to be a different method for that. So we just want to go ahead and open up Steam again. And then once it opens and all your data like reloads and everything, we want to just go over to our library. And then what we want to do is click the filter icon right here, and you're going to see a lot of different options. And then what you want to do is uncheck if ready to play is checked, because these are the ones I have uninstalled right now. All you want to do is uncheck this, and then it's going to show your entire library. Now, if there's a game that's not appearing in your Steam store, then click, or like, let's say it has something not appearing here. Then what you're going to do is click your, on the top right corner, click your name right here, and then go over to store preferences. Now you're going to see a lot of stuff here, but what you want to do is if you have any content filters or anything like that, scroll down to the mature content option, and you just want to make sure that it's checked right here. And if it's unchecked, that's why you're not seeing certain games.